I have never eaten such delicious eggs. Simple and easy breakfast. For this recipe, we will need 4 potatoes. With the help of a grater, I will grate all these potatoes. Then I'll add water in a container and put the potatoes inside. I'll leave them to soak for 10 minutes. We're also going to need 120 grams of ham. I'm going to cut it into strips. Now in a bowl, I will add the potatoes, chives to taste, the ham, 4 egg whites, a pinch of salt, black pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of flour, and mix well. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. I'd love to know. To continue in a frying pan, I'm going to put a little bit of oil, and with a tablespoon, I'm going to add portions of our mixture, opening a space in the middle that way. So guys, our recipes are only sent to those who interact. So leave a like and tell me the city where you watch us from so I can send you a special hug. And if you've gotten this far, it's because you're enjoying our recipe. Right below, I love breakfast recipe. Next, we will add the egg yolks in the space we made. In medium heat, let the pancakes fry for 3 minutes. And finally, after browning one side, I will flip to fry the other side as well. Repeat this process with the rest of the mixture. This recipe is very easy to make, and it's so delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. And our recipe is ready. Now to enjoy. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Thank you very much for watching so far. See you in the next video. Bye!